we divide 643 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 3 and it is 43. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 643 divided by 5 is 128.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.